Hello everyone, welcome to Curious Minds with Hemangini. Today in this video, we are going to learn about linear equations. We will clear all the concept of linear equations and we will solve few examples of linear equations. So here in this video, we will see what is linear equations, rules for solving a linear equation and transposition of terms. So let's start with the video. What is linear equations? We need to break the two words linear and equations. We know about equations. What is equation, children? When I write 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, this is called as equation, where there is left hand side, that is LHS, there is right hand side, RHS, and equal to sign in between is equation. I'll give you one more example of equation, that is 2x square plus 3 is equal to 8. This is also equation, okay, where there is LHS, RHS and equal to sign in between. Then one more example, 2x minus 3 is equal to 5. Okay, this is also an example of equation. Now, what is the difference between equation and linear equation? Equation may or may not contain variable. What is variable? This x is variable. We need to find the value of variable. This is variable, or a, b, c, x, y, z. These all are variables. We need to find the value of variable. Equation is with or without variable, whereas linear equation is always with one variable and highest power is 1. This is called as linear equation. In example 1 and example 2, these both are not linear equation, but they are only equations. And example number 3 is the example of linear equation when there is a one variable with highest power 1. One more example I will give. For example, 5x upon 3 is equal to 2. This is also example of linear equation where there is a variable and highest power is 1. If I write 2x square is equal to 8, this is equation but not linear equation. Why? Because the power is 2. Okay, square. So this is not linear equation. There is a variable with highest power 1 is linear equation. I hope the concept of linear equation is clear. Now let's see rules for solving linear equation. First rule, if you add the same number on both the sides of the equation, left hand side and right hand side, the equality of the equation will not change. We'll give you one example. 2x minus 3 is equal to 5. If I add plus 3 on both the side, left hand side and right hand side, the equality will not change. This is the rule for solving a linear equation. First rule, 2x minus 3, 5. So if I add plus 3 on both the side, plus 3 left hand side, plus 3 right hand side, the equality will not change. This is the rule number 1. Second rule, if you subtract the same number from both the side, equality will not change. Let's take example. Plus 3, 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. If I subtract minus 3 from both the side, the equality will not change. This is the rule number 2. Let's see the rule number 3. Multiply the same number on both the sides. Equality will not change. Let me take example 2x upon 3 is equal to 5. Okay, this is the equation. If I multiply 3 on both the side, equality will not change. Okay, multiply 3 both the side, equality will not change. The last rule, divide the same number on both the side, equality will not change. Suppose 2x is equal to 8. So if I divide left hand side with 2, right hand side with 2, equality will not change. So this is the rule number 1. If you add same number on both the side, equality will remain the same. If you subtract the same number on both the side, equality will remain the same. Multiply, divide, equality will remain the same. Equality will not change. Let's see transposition of terms. The meaning of trans is across or beyond, and position means the place. So if you change the place of terms, equality will remain the same. Equality will not change. Okay, suppose 2x plus 3 is equal to 8. Okay, I am going to change the position of plus 3 from LHS to RHS. So how will I write now? 2x is in the left hand side, 8 is on the right hand side. Plus 3 will become minus 3 because when you change the position of terms, the sign will be reversed. Positive sign will become negative. Negative sign will become positive. Multiply will become divide, and divide will become multiply. The sign will be reversed. Okay, so plus 3 will become minus 3, and then you can solve your equation. Now let me give you one more example, that is 5x divided by 4 is equal to 2. Okay, now I am changing the position of 4 and taking it to the right hand side. So your equation will be 5x to multiply by 4, because 4 is in the division. Now when you are taking to the right hand side, it will become multiply. Okay, sign will be changed. So to multiply by 4. This is called as transposition of terms. Changing the position of terms from one side to another side with changing the sign as well. This is known as transposition of terms. Thank you children. We will solve linear equation problem in our next video. Thanks for watching.